Hello everyone and welcome to Ruddersville, a charming chocolate box, typical sort of quintessential Swiss village really. I'm told there's more cows here than people. It's just very charming, lovely place for an overnight stay. The weather could be a little bit nicer, but you know, we take luck of the draw with that, I suppose, isn't it? But today we head off to Reims, so back into France, where I'm told the weather's a little better. Yeah, we're going to make a little stop off on the way to a historic motorsport inspired location, so more to see in a bit. What the hell is that? So, fuel done, Starbucks needed, and Biscoff burger. I don't think we have them in the UK, but I love Biscoff biscuits, and well, everything I need for my journey. I can confirm Biscoff burgers are a winner.
You got an electric bike?
You think everyone in Switzerland drives electric bikes? Maybe they've just all got calves like Arnie.
And that girl came up at a rate of knots. I thought, f***, she's flying.
They're just all fit round here, Mike. We're all fat, aren't we?
Cheese bike.
A cheese bike?
Cheats. People who cheat drive those bikes.
Michael, everyone, he's a keen cycling enthusiast. This is how you do toll booths with a right-hand drive car, folks. Vive la France!
Giving me nothing, keep telling me I'll be fine, keeping me guessing, I'm guessing, you were right.
Hello everyone and welcome to Reims. This is our final location on our tour of Europe, and yeah, the final stop before we head back to Calais. Reims, being based in the heart of the Champagne region, gives us a chance to sort of step away from the cars and sample the local fizz before heading home. So yeah, this is our final location, and that's it. This is brings the sort of trip to an end really. We've been blessed with weather and amazing cars on tour. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the videos, and please subscribe if you want to see some more content. Ciao.
Things that I